So this week at Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics Camp, we had a really great week. Students were able to work collaboratively. They were able to really pull in different elements of engineering and coding and develop their skills in robotics. They were able to meet new students, had a lot of fun. So overall, it was a really successful week.
So to start making our town, in the morning we learned kind of about natural disasters, earthquakes and hurricanes, and then we also learned about erosion that could create like landslides, things like that.
Really the goal with the whole camp, with the 3 camps, was to have the kids experience different aspects of each of those, the science, the technology, the engineering, the mathematics, and we did that through a number of different scenarios with coding, building different things, building cities or robots, or learning how to program robots. So lots of different ways that we were able to introduce different concepts to the kids, different STEM concepts, and have the kids kind of learn it and then really become problem solvers. Take what they learned and solve a problem with it, take the knowledge that they gained and just run with it. And that's been the most exciting part, is that they've learned something and then they've just gone 3 steps further down the road past what we would have thought they were going to be able to do. So it's been awesome to see.
STEM camp also really helps to build trust and teamwork among your peers. For example, this activity that we're doing back here really requires a lot of teamwork among all of our members and really requires everyone to play their part. And I find that STEM camp is a good way to practice your teamwork skills.
Another fun thing that we had a chance to do was we showed Ozobots, and that was a chance for the children to see how a robot could read code by using colors, and they could do drawing with their pencils and markers on paper and have the Ozobot follow the trail and then do what they asked it to do based on the code, or they could even do it on their iPad. So the children really enjoyed playing with the Ozobots, and we worked together in small groups to learn all about that, and then the children would go into the classroom and they would teach their classmates all about how to code using the Ozobots. So there was a lot of different things going along. The children learned about sequencing and about flexible sequencing, and they got to apply these skills to not only Tinker, but also to Ozobots.
So we have been programming our robot to, if see white, can continuously move forward forever, and if see black, back up and turn around. And we put it in a loop block, so repeatedly do it over and over again. And the point of programming is to tell your robot what to do, but in programming style.
We really wanted to give kids a neat opportunity that doesn't necessarily exist in other schools. And we wanted them to be able to work with kids from all 8 buildings and get to make some new friends this week. Really take some time to explore some exciting topics such as robotics or coding or engineering. So we've got some lifelong learners here this week that had a great time.
And so each table got a job. My table got building schools. Other tables got cities and waterworks. One got roads and bridges. Other people got like almost other buildings like police and hospitals and firehouses and all that type of stuff. And we would all work together to decide where everything was going to be. And then we went back, all created our own little buildings and put it on the map, and now we have our cool city.